Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to share WhatsApp status on Facebook. Once you tap agree, then this post from WhatsApp will be shared to your Facebook. First, you just have to launch your WhatsApp application and then you have to click this My Status right here. So let's just say I want to add a status on my WhatsApp that later on I want to share it to my Facebook application. So for example, this one right here, and then I need to post this status first on my WhatsApp. Click this arrow facing to the right to share this. Everything is up to you. You can edit, you can add more, you can add emojis, text, and so on. But once you're done, you just have to click this arrow facing to the right, and then you will see this sending, and you have your WhatsApp status now. On the right side, you can see here Facebook logo, share to Facebook story, and then this a share icon right here. So all you have to do is to tap that one. You can read the following here and then tap get started. So your status will be shared to your Facebook story audience. Change your audience on Facebook anytime. So all you have to do is to click that and then you will see this. Of course, you have to make sure that you're logged into your real account or the account where you want to share your WhatsApp status. And all you have to do is to click agree. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you want us to create a new tutorial, please do comment down below. Please do like and subscribe to our channel and see you again in our next video tutorials.